Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number, our website. Also, before I forget, like and subscribe. So what we're doing a review of today, well, as we're talking about one of the hottest new trucks out there, this thing is selling out like crazy. It's a great value. It is the Ford Maverick. Now, what do we do for the Ford Maverick? Well, hey, John, take a good look. What we did, well, we got the Back Industries Revolver X4S. Now, before I get into show you how great it works, I want you to see how great it looks. Now, one thing I do like about this is one super clean look. Look how low profile, how clean that looks on here. Man, I think that is one sharp look. Go ahead and get a good look on how nice it is. I mean, you got a good looking truck. These Mavericks are really sharp. I like them. I think they look terrific. And this cover really looks really good on that. And I like to say really. So let's get into, besides how wonderful it looks on this Ford Maverick, let's see how it works. So let's come on over here. First thing you'll notice is this has got a super tight fit here. Look at that. Now, why is that great? Besides looking good, it helps keep the water out. Speaking of water, this is not waterproof, I'm sorry to say, but you know what? None of the covers are waterproof. You know, they just don't make them. They're not considered submarine, so they're considered water resistant covers. But this is one of the better ones, I gotta say. So let's go in here. It's gonna do a very good job because of the tight fit here. And I want to open this up so you can see the seal here. Look how big that seal is. I don't know if you can see that, but that really does a wonderful job of keeping the water out. Now, I'm gonna tilt this up here, and if you'll notice, there's a driver's side and a passenger side release mechanism. So if I'm standing here or over there, I can open the cover. Now, I always tell the customers not to pull both these at the same time. I get people who want to do this, and they start yanking them, and they break them. Guess what? Because they're not designed that way. So you have one person at a time. So if your wife is on the other side, she just gets to watch. So let's go over here. Now, if you look on the new model here, it is black underneath here. The old models were silver. Just gives it a little nicer look. And it rolls all the way up here. So now, this will secure. So go here, take this. And let's see if I can show you how pretty straightforward it is. It goes, again, I don't know if I pulled it back so you can see better, but basically it goes into this little groove here and it turns like this. And then I go ahead and snug it up. This way when you're driving, it doesn't go anywhere. Also, if you notice, it doesn't cover your window. So if you have it open, you can still see out your window, which is real important. Now, these are basically hanging there and you got little protectors for the glass as well. All in all, this is not going to eat up any space. John, come over and look inside here. You have all your space in here. Now, these are not the biggest beds, so you really don't want to give up any space. If you notice, you did not lose any space in the bed, and you're only losing a couple inches on top of the bed. So you're basically keeping your cargo management system. If you notice, that's not being affected here. All in all, it's a really smart cover. I do like it a lot. It is easy to use, but by the way, these are so you don't get your hands on the hot metal, because it does get a little warm. So pretty straightforward, nice and easy. Again, you come over here, just gonna pull this. Now, I want if you can see this with the camera. Now, some of the competitors do use a Velcro on this, which is not bad, but this company here, let's see if I can show you here. When these go down here, basically, if you look, there's little grooves here. So let's see if I can roll it down here. I can see it a little better. Now, if you look here, see that little mechanism there? That literally locks the entire side here. So let's see if I can roll all the way back so you can get a better idea. But see that? See the little grooves here? So you don't have, like on the folding covers, you have lock, lock, lock. This is one entire long lock. Why is that better? Well, it makes it extremely hard to get into it. If someone's trying to get in there and not supposed to, this is going to lock it in really good. And they do have nice little padding on this, so you're not going to see this anywhere else. A lot of people buy this cover just because of this locking mechanism. Is top notch. Again, this rolls out really nice and easy. And it's really good, really nice cover. This has a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which anytime your manufacturer is doing 5 years, they're really telling you that they're standing behind their product. It's not a 1-year warranty or 90-day warranty or whatever they come up with. Or this is 5 years. Now, we have a promotion going on. If we do the installation for you, we're doubling the warranty through Truck Hero. That's right, from 5 to 10. Now, this is not forever. So, you know, you see this video years down there, and you say, I want to double the warranty. And I say, well, that was only for that period of time. So keep that in mind. So just because I'm saying it today doesn't mean it's gone for tomorrow. Now, if we do the installation for you, CNH will give you 1 year labor guarantee. That covers all the labor involved with this. And it does include if any defects on the cover. So let's say the manufacturer has a defect and they say, oh, we'll send you wherever the part is or a whole new cover. We'll install it free of charge. That's right. We don't charge you for the entire year. So we're covering not just our part, we're kind of covering their part. So they got to handle the parts, we'll handle the labor, which is really nice. Again, if you like this, we can ship it anywhere in the country. So if you don't live in Florida, that's okay. I get calls all the time. I'm in Georgia, I'm in Texas, I'm in California. By the way, California buys a lot from us. We got 14 warehouses throughout the country. So we basically find the warehouse closest to you and we send it right to your house. So, and the nice thing is if you're installing it, we do installations. I mean, you go out there, you can buy this a couple more than one place. But a lot of times they can't tell you how to do the install because they're not installation guys. They're just some guy doing that. You call us, I can say, oh, you're doing this, and we'll tell you 1 through, you know, you need to do this, this, and that. And sometimes the directions are not as good as they could be. Now, you can always call Back Industries, and they are a great company, but sometimes you can't get through to someone. It's a little easier to get through us, and it's nice to have us as your backup. So again, buying from us is not going to cost you any different, but you get us to help you with any of the questions and stuff. And it's real important because sometimes things don't go on as easy as they should. If you like what you see, I know I said before, don't forget, like and subscribe. And don't forget, we can ship this anywhere in the country. I'm Chris with CNH Auto Accessories doing a review on the Back Industries Revolver X4S with a 5-year warranty on the Ford Maverick. Thank you.